Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials: a Firebase project with the database type you need and a service account key. Once done, install Firebase admin and the Firestore client in your virtual env so Python can authenticate. Then place the JSON key locally and set the environment variable Google application credentials to that path so the SDK picks it up. This immediate setup lets you authenticate securely and avoids interactive logins. Make sure to use a dedicated service account for server code. Now initialize the SDK in your script using the certificate and then create the appropriate client. For Realtime DB, you create a DB. Reference to a path. For Firestore, you create a Firestore. Client and reference collections and documents. Once you have the reference, call get to read data. Handle missing documents with conditional checks. Use simple JSON-friendly types for writes to avoid serialization errors. Also, once you read data, validate types and log keys so you know the structure before writing. Finish by implementing writes and transaction logic. Use set or update depending on overwrite needs, and use transactions for concurrent updates. Then verify security by adjusting Firebase Database / Firestore rules and IAM roles so the service account has explicit access. If things go wrong, check the environment variable path, ensure the key JSON matches the project, and confirm package versions. Mismatched client libs often cause cryptic errors. Lastly, rerun with verbose logging to inspect auth and.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.